In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to replace the screen on a Bison smartphone. As you can see, the screen is damaged. This line's going through there and it's cracked, so I'm going to replace it. Okay, the first thing you need to do is to power the phone off. Press and hold on the power button. Power. Okay, now the phone is powered off. The next thing you need to do is to heat the corners of the screen to melt the glue. So I'm going to use a hair dryer. You can also use a heat gun to do this. Okay, the screen came with a set of tools, so I'm going to use a pry tool to pry the screen out. To remove the screen, when you pull back this trim, you'll see a red area right there. See this? The screen is in this red section where it's red over here. This is where the screen goes into. This is like a hard plastic that holds the screen in, and under here is adhesive. So this red trim that's under the black trim has to be removed. The black area is the screen itself. This red is where the screen goes into. This is another part of the trim. So once that's exposed and the glue is melted, you need to take a pry tool and start lifting this up. Slip it in here under the black trim, under the red trim. I'm going to remove the ribbon cable and test the new screen. So I'm going to install the new screen just to test it. Okay, so let's just test it. Okay, so now the remaining glass on the corners has to be taken out and cleaned up. I'm going to be putting adhesive strips inside to hold the screen in, and then the job will be complete. This all has to be taken out, all these pieces of glass. Okay, now take the speaker grill from the old digitizer. Just remove that. You can put this on the new one. Okay, now put the speaker grill right here. Okay, now the repair kit came with these adhesive strips, so I'm going to be installing them. Pull one off. I put it in the corners. Now once you have these on, you just pull them off, and now the adhesive strips are intact, and this will hold the screen on. Now make sure to remove this lens protector that's on the new screen before you install the new screen on the phone. It should press right in. You could feel it clip in like so, and now the screen is installed. Okay, now you have to put the clamp on. Okay. Now gently, evenly rest the screen on. Press down on the corners gently to make sure adhesive is connected to the screen. Okay, I'm going to power the phone on. And there you go. The screen has been replaced. So I hope you found this video useful. If you have, please show your support for this channel by subscribing. Feel free to leave comments. Please like up this video, and thank you for tuning in.